Hi, I'm Eric Lopez, and I want to welcome you back to PathFinder, where we help entrepreneurs turn their passion into income-generating businesses. In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the heart of the PathFinder system so that we can show you how each major step interacts with tasks, which are sub-steps within a major section, and the other areas within the PathFinder guide to help you along your entrepreneurial journey. To get started, we're going to dive into Notion. If you remember, you always have access to all of your pages within Notion in this left panel. Your PathFinder homepage, your blueprint to success, will be denoted with the house icon and will be the parent of all of the pages within this guide. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Once we're on this homepage, you'll be able to go over to the table of contents area. When you open this, these will probably be closed depending on how you left your last session. To navigate to the section you want, you just expand the toggles on each of the major sections within the table of contents. Now, we have two paths to get started with PathFinder. The first one, which is we consider a pre-step, was created so that we can help entrepreneurs overcome barriers to starting their journey. Since many of you will be starting there, I'm going to start there and give an overview of that page. Once you get to a major step or major section within the guide, you will notice that it has a number in the top left. That number is a sequential order in the program that this step resides. And you also noted that there will be an illustration or a banner at the top that is meant to give you a visual representation of what you're going to be accomplishing within this major step or section. Scrolling down a bit, you'll see a section overview. This will be similar to the section overview that you saw on the PathFinder homepage. You'll see a quick links section for quick navigation. This helps if you're navigating from mobile and you don't have the full screen at your disposal. I'll go ahead and close that. You'll also see a navigation panel that'll be pinned to the left side of every major step or section within PathFinder. This allows you to quickly jump forward or backwards within your journey so that you can navigate to a future or previous step. To demonstrate this, I'll just go ahead and click Conduct SWOT Analysis, which is step 3. As you can see, the banner at the top changed, as well as a number. And if I want to return back to Overcome Your Fears, which is the part of the demo that we're on, I'll just go ahead, scroll down to my navigation section, and click Overcome Your Fears. Boom, we're back where we started. So, going down the rest of the page, you're going to find this video nestled in the section here. Naturally, I'm recording it now, so you won't see it in this demo, but it will be there for you once you start to interact with the guide. The section task area is where we have inputted each of the tasks containing the prompt recipes that you will be inputting into ChatGPT to interact with your AI business coach. To display those tasks, go ahead and hit the toggle, and you will see a list of tasks in the order that we recommend completing them. The status of each of the tasks will be denoted in this column here, and there are 3 statuses: not started, in progress, and done. We recommend that you complete each task in order, as a future task may require an output from a previous task. I'm going to go ahead and dive into one of these tasks just for demonstration purposes, but we're going to dive into each task in depth to show how the prompt recipes in each task should be input into ChatGPT and how that interaction should work with your Notion workspace. So I'll go ahead here and start with lack of time. Once you dive within the task, you'll notice that it does not have a banner at the top. And instead of a number in the top left, you will see an icon that should serve as a visual representation of what this particular task is going to help you accomplish. Your task page also has a task overview section, which should be very familiar to you now as the home page has one and your major sections have one. And you'll also see a button within that task overview section that allow you to return back to the section homepage. And boom, we're back to Overcome Your Fears. Before we dive deeper into tasks, I just want to outline one more section of your Overcome Your Fears page. The section output area on your major section page, again denoted by a number at the top and a banner, will summarize all of the outputs that you receive from ChatGPT that you paste into the individual tasks. This section is placed here for quick reference. So after you complete your guide, you can see all of the major areas or all of the major tasks within this section, and you can quickly expand and take a look at the output. What this means is once you complete this process, unless you want to go and dive deeper into a particular task within the PathFinder guide, you'll be able to easily get a summary of each of the tasks within this section for future reference. Thanks again, and join me next time for an overview of how the tasks section, the heart and soul of PathFinder, interacts with your Notion workspace and your AI business coach in ChatGPT. Till next time.